Now in this video we're going to talk about the two most common jazz progressions. Now a jazz progression is the series of chords in a song that creates the harmonic movement of that song. So now we're going to be looking at the 2-5-1 progression. Now the 2-5-1 is probably the most important progression in jazz music because it's the most common. And you rarely find a jazz tune, especially older jazz tunes, that don't contain them. So we're going to look at this in the key of C. We're going to be using three shapes here. We're going to be using the minor shape of the A string, the major shape of the E string, and the major shape of the A string. So in the key of C, the 2 chord is going to be D minor. So to get D minor, I'm going to take off the A string, I'm going to take the A note, open, and I'm going to count up until I get to D. B flat, B, C, C sharp, D. So our D minor is going to be based off the 5th fret. So I'm going to play D minor with this shape, the minor shape of the A string, and then I'm going to go to a G major chord. Now I'm going to play this off the E string. So to find this, I will go to the E string, open, count up, F, F sharp, G. So here we have a G major. The last chord I'm going to play is a C major, and we're going to use the shape of the A string to do this. So once again I go to an A, I count up, B flat, B, C. So here I have a C major. So together we have D minor, G, and C. Now the best way to practice this for jazz music is by playing what we call 4 to the bar, or the Freddie Green style. This is where I play crotchets, or notes on 1 beat, and 4 for every bar, and then 4 for each chord. So the progression is going to go like this. It's going to go 1 bar of D minor, so 4 beats of D minor, 1 bar of G, so 4 beats of G, and then 1 bar of C. 2 bars of C. That creates the 4 bar progression. So it sounds like this. Now try that really slowly at first to a metronome so you can really get it in time, and then eventually speed it up. So then we can loop the pattern like this.